So Tio, tell us why we're here.
All right, guys, we're here at Louis' Lunch. I guess you guys know that we had a little competition, me and my friend Ryota, little hot dog battle, and I gotta give him credit. He smashed me. Kid had over 500 views. I can't compete with that. He did a real great job, and we had a lot of fun. So this is what we wagered on, lunch at Louis' Lunch. Let's get it. Looks good, dude. Look at the oozy cheese. Yeah, it's good.
Just want to show everybody what victory tastes like.
I gotta be honest with everybody. If this was a getting fat contest, I would have won. But it was a hot dog contest. Fat. Sleepy. But I will tell you this. No crumbs left behind, baby. Never. I'm gonna eat these crumbs.
Alright, so that wraps up lunch at Louis' Lunch. Pretty satisfying having a burger, a victory burger bought by Timmy.
Alright guys, there you have it. That's a wrap. Louis' Lunch is in the books. Want to say congratulations again to Ryota. He did a great job with the video, and he was the winner by far. Stay tuned. Next week is going to be Battle Grilled Cheese. I want to throw a shout out to my boy Pudgy and my sister-in-law Nikki. If you want some, come get some. Loser buys everybody breakfast at the Tasty Yoke in Bridgeport. Let's go.